If you have a craze and want to invest and trade in cryptocurrency, then you are at a right place to understand all about cryptocurrencies. Ethereum, like all cryptocurrencies, is highly volatile and difficult to predict. However, it has shown strong growth in the past and has the potential for future gains. Financial independence can be achieved through a combination of saving, investing, and smart financial planning. Investing in Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency should be a small part of a diversified investment portfolio. It is important to consult a financial advisor and do your own research before making any investment decisions, especially when it comes to your pension. ETH is definitely in demand because of its highly functional platform that is applicable not only in the blockchain niche, but also in other spheres. Ethereum has the potential for high returns, low volatility compared to other cryptocurrencies, and its ability to act as a decentralized platform for applications. Plus, Ethereum has the backing of major organizations. This makes it a relatively safe investment with the potential for long-term gains. Why Ethereum are the future of tech, finance, and the internet. If you want to cut costs and deliver your projects faster, Ethereum is a wise choice. What markets are currently driving Ether's price? What's next for Ethereum? Before to go ahead, if you find out this video informative, kindly subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This video is going to be more interesting, so stay connected. Understand the basics of Ethereum and cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies work as both a currency and a virtual accounting system because they use encryption. It would help if you had a cryptocurrency wallet to use cryptocurrencies. These wallets can be software stored in the cloud, on your computer or your phone. Wallets are where you keep your encryption keys, which are used to prove who you are and link your cryptocurrency to you. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized and do not need to be regulated by banks or any other third party. However, this also means that they are not insured and can be challenging to convert into fiat currency. And Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain network that uses the Ether token to enable a wide range of functions, including transactions, staking for interest on holdings, the use and storage of non-fungible tokens, and much more. Find out about the current and historical Ethereum price developments. Ethereum was first thought of in 2013. The main benefit of Ethereum is that it lets programmers make and use decentralized apps. At the moment, Ethereum uses a consensus mechanism called proof of work. To add new blocks to the chain, one must first solve a complex puzzle that requires a lot of computational resources. By using computational resources, solving the puzzle proves that you have done the work. This is called mining. Mining usually involves a lot of trial and error. But if you add a block successfully, you get ETH. The goal of Ether is to make a market for computing possible. Price history of ETH. The block 46,147 transaction hash was used for the first Ethereum transaction on August 7, 2015. Ethereum was worth less than $1 for most of 2015. However, by March 2016, Ether was worth more than $10 and briefly hit $10.03 on March 4, 2016. By 2017, Ether had become more popular. In May of that year, it hit $100. Ether was worth $774.69 at the end of 2017 and over $1,000 in the first week of 2018. Ether was also wiped out by the 2018 cryptocurrency crash, known as the Bitcoin crash. By the end of 2018, each Ether was worth less than $100. From 2019 to 2021, the price of Ether went up again. And on November 9, 2021, it hit its all-time high of $4,815. During the first half of 2022, the price of Ether went down, and right now, Ethereum's price is $1,555. Since its start in 2015, Ethereum's blockchain has undergone several critical technological changes. Create a risk strategy and set your budget. Creating a risk strategy and setting a budget for Ethereum investments requires careful consideration. First, you should decide on your risk tolerance. This will help guide your decisions regarding the type of cryptocurrency to invest in and the amount After establishing a risk profile, it's essential to set clear goals and objectives for investing in Ethereum, such as short-term gains or long-term value growth. Finally, once you have defined these parameters, set an appropriate budget that reflects your goals and investment timeline. Before investing in Ethereum, you can ensure that your investments are managed responsibly and with the minimal financial loss if market conditions change unexpectedly. Ethereum is the second largest digital asset in market capitalization, and it makes sense that almost all of the 200+ exchanges listed on CoinMarketCap support this token. We've covered whether you want to buy Ethereum to hold or use it to buy the bestness. Here, we discuss where you can buy Ethereum from the best exchanges. Trusted exchange your broker to buy Ethereum. There are a lot of exchanges where you can buy Ethereum in an easy way. I am just listing the 3 best exchanges. Coinbase Pro. When it comes to ease of usage and safety, Coinbase is unparalleled. When it comes to the former, many people looking to buy Ethereum for the first time choose Coinbase because it is user-friendly for those unfamiliar with cryptocurrency. Crypto.com. Crypto.com provides access to an NFT marketplace where Ethereum can be used to purchase notes, as well as interest on cryptocurrency holdings and a Visa debit card. If you want to buy Ethereum quickly, your best bet is to utilize a Reddit card at Crypto.com. Binance. If you're familiar with cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance is the best place to buy Ethereum. By choosing to trade on Binance's sophisticated platform, experienced traders gain access to a suite of features they'll find helpful. Keep up to date with the latest developments and news related to Ethereum. If the Fed tightens bets, ETH might return to where it was at the start, around $1,200. But if the technical picture is good, a retest of these levels could draw a lot of buyers. After breaking out of a medium-term downtrend earlier this week, ETH bulls are looking for a test of the December highs around $1,340 and a possible test of the 200 DMA at $1,390. Many economists expect U.S. inflation to keep falling quickly back to the Fed's target of 2%. This should eventually give the U.S. central bank room to start cutting interest rates to support growth, which is also expected to slow down. This could make a lot of people buy risky assets. ETH can return to its highs before they emerged last August, which was around $2,000. By the end of February, the Ethereum development team plans to launch a public test network in preparation for the Shanghai upgrade. This network will have code that lets people withdraw Ether that has been staked in the Beacon chain since December 2020. Consider whether you want to invest in Ethereum long-term or trade in the short term. Investors were buying up ETH because people were optimistic about the upcoming merge. The switch to proof of stake put itself in a good position for a bullish story because there was a chance that ETH would earn interest and use a lot less energy. Since Ethereum developers first hinted at a tentative timeline for the merge, there has been a big push for it. Crypto markets almost seemed immune to the tech sell-off and growing fear of taking risks, but recent price changes have killed that idea. All was quiet before the storm. Ethereum had lost almost 80% of its value since its peak, when it was worth $4,891. There should be more. Use tools and resources to manage and analyze your Ethereum investments. Your crypto analysis would go more smoothly if you had better tools. If you need help choosing the best one for your needs, these might help. Dune Analytics. Dune Analytics is a crypto data platform that everyone who wants accurate information about the Ethereum blockchain needs. It lets you use simple SQL queries to look at smart contract data and make it easy to see and share what you've learned with the community. Nansen. It gives detailed information about what is happening on the blockchain and has a massive database of labels for crypto wallets. The platform is excellent for crypto professionals and investors, but crypto newbies who want to learn more about the market can also benefit from it. DEX Tools. DEX Tools is an analytics tool that helps traders make better decisions by giving them complete, real-time information about crypto assets. DEX Tools lets you look at Dotterwam Uniwap and SushiSwap DEXs right now, but more will be added in the future. How Ethereum can be incorporated into a broader financial independence and retirement strategy. Ethereum, like other cryptocurrencies, can be incorporated into a broader financial independence and retirement strategy in a few ways. One way is to include it as a diversifier in a portfolio of assets, since its performance is not highly correlated with traditional assets such as stocks and bonds. Another way is to use it as a hedge against inflation, since the supply of Ethereum is limited and its value is based on market demand. Additionally, Ethereum can be used to invest in decentralized finance (DeFi) projects, which can offer potentially high returns, but also carry a higher level of risk. 7 tips for beginners. 1. Many sharks are eager to steal your money, making it challenging to distinguish accurate Ethereum suggestions from fraud. 2. When faced with a lot of cryptocurrency information, stand back from the frenzy. 3. Along with your trading strategy, you need to define your risk management approach and what instruments you'll employ to minimize crypto trading losses. 4. Prices can change daily, and new traders are often tricked into selling in a panic when prices are low. 5. If you have a hardware wallet to store your crypto offline, forgetting your key phrase is like losing the keys to a bank vault. Without your key phrase, you won't be able to get any of your cryptos back. 6. Diversification will help you reduce some of the risks that are unique to coins, just like it does with traditional assets like stocks. Spread your money out among different digital coins instead of just buying one. 7. Trading bots can be helpful in some situations, but they're only suitable for some people who are just starting out and want to learn how to invest in crypto. Most of the time, they are just tricks. 8. Making money by trading stocks and shares or commodities like silver and gold is challenging. The same is true of cryptocurrencies. I hope you enjoyed the video.